Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to be measuring the volume of liquid that my new bottle holds. To do so, I'm going to create a rectangular extrusion that surrounds my entire bottle. Then, I'm going to subtract the bottle from that extrusion. Thirdly, I'll check the volume of the remaining solid. Let's begin by inserting a sketch. It'll be on the top plane. Right-click on the top plane, select Insert Sketch. Let's take a normal 2 view. And let's activate the rectangle tool. We'll drop it about here so that it covers the entire dimension of our body. Exit the sketch, take a side view. Activate the Extruded Boss Base tool. We'll extrude the rectangle in the graphic area, dragging up to the level of liquid in the bottle. Let's also extrude in a second direction as well to avoid any potential problems with the zero thickness geometry. Make sure Merge Result is unchecked and click OK. Let's take an isometric view. Now go to Insert, Features, Combine. Operation type, it'll be a subtract. The main body will be the extruded rectangle. Bodies to subtract, Surface Cut 1, our bottle. Let's click OK. The Bodies to Keep dialog window opens. We're going to go with Selected Bodies. The red contour in the graphic area shows us which entity is selected in the Property Manager. Let's go with Body 2. OK. Now let's hide Surface Offset 2. Right-click and hide. Let's go to the Evaluate tab now. Select Mass Properties. And here you see we've got a volume of approximately 2.3 liters. Let's cancel out of the Mass Properties dialog window. After you're done checking the volume, you can simply Shift-select both extrudes and press them. And this concludes our lesson about checking the volume of our bottle. We've got one more lesson on this project.